In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to connect Proof with Google Tag Manager, giving you an easy way to track user behavior and create powerful social proof for your website. If you're new to Proof, it's a great tool that helps you build credibility with real-time visitor notifications. Whether you're using it to show how many people are currently browsing or highlighting recent purchases, integrating it with Google Tag Manager makes everything easier and more efficient. Now, before we dive into the technical details, make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you exclusive access to a free trial of Proof with added bonuses you can't find anywhere else. You'll want to make sure you get the most out of this powerful tool for your website. All right, let's get started with how to connect Proof with Google Tag Manager. First, head over to your Proof account and grab your tracking code. If you haven't set up Proof yet, you'll need to sign up and install it on your site. You'll find the tracking code under the Settings tab in Proof. Once you've got your tracking code, go over to your Google Tag Manager dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is free, and it'll give you a centralized place to manage all your tags without needing to adjust any code directly on your website. In Google Tag Manager, click Add a new tag and select Custom HTML as the tag type. Paste your Proof tracking code in the HTML section. This is where Proof starts working with Google Tag Manager by running the tracking code whenever a user visits your site. Next, we need to set a trigger to make sure this tag fires at the right time. Choose All Pages as the trigger so the Proof code runs across your entire site. This ensures that the Proof notifications and tracking are applied everywhere your visitors go, providing a seamless experience and accurate data. Once you've set the trigger, save your tag and publish your changes. That's it. The integration is now live. You'll be able to track how users are interacting with your site through Proof and use the real-time data to create notifications that boost engagement and conversions. If you want to dive deeper into more advanced configurations, like firing tags on specific pages or events, Google Tag Manager gives you that flexibility. But this basic setup will get you going and start tracking immediately. Just to recap, once your Proof tracking code is added to Google Tag Manager, your site will start collecting the visitor data you need to fuel your Proof notifications and build social proof with minimal effort. And remember, with Proof integrated through Google Tag Manager, you'll have full control of your tracking and site performance. Before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive extended free trial I mentioned earlier. You'll get full access to Proof so you can start using it to its full potential. Check the first link in the description below to claim your free trial and bonus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.